Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna kind of be like the ideal lipstick tag, I want to call it. This is something that I kind of had it was an idea that I came up with myself, and I was just like, you know what, it would be really interesting to know what would be a person's ideal lipstick. So basically, there are five different set of questions that I asked you guys on Instagram. We did some polls, we did some what is that feature called where you have like maximum of four options and you can like choose one, the quiz one, and I use that sometimes to basically do polls if I have more than two options that I want you guys to choose from. So yeah, I basically asked you guys all those questions and we kind of got an idea about what people's preferences are, and I will be answering these questions myself and telling you what are the qualities that I look for in a lipstick, and is there a lipstick that basically does all of these things. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. I know most of us absolutely love lipsticks, so I really hope that you guys like enjoy this video, find it fun to watch, informative, helpful, etc, etc. So that's what this video is going to be about. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe because it would mean the absolute world to me. And I'm posting a video every single day in the month of December, and I'm doing vlogmas. So in case you guys would like to watch, if not if even if not every single one of those videos, but like stay up to date, catch up, and like know when those videos go live, then make sure that you click on the bell, which is next to subscribe button, because that way you get a notification either on your desktop, or if you watch on your phone, then you'll get a like notification on your phone as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right into it and let's talk about the different questions, the options, what you guys' opinions are, what my opinion is, etc. etc. So let's jump right into it. Now, the first question was, what is your preferred type of lipstick? So I give you the option of bullet lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, and 53% of you guys chose bullet, and 47% chose liquid. So like if you had to use just one type of lipstick or one lipstick for the rest of your life, would it be a bullet or would it be a liquid? And this is what you guys' opinion was. For me personally, I have to be completely honest, I love my bullet lipsticks because they're super comfortable. I'm wearing one right now after a long time, and honestly, I mean, there is nothing as comfortable as a bullet lipstick. That being said, if you are in a pandemic and you're wearing masks, your bullet lipstick is going to be all over your mask and it's definitely going to transfer. It's not going to be as long lasting if you're eating or drinking as well. Sometimes that does tend to happen, that bullet lipsticks don't last as long, which is why personally, if I had to choose only bullet lipsticks or only liquid lipsticks for the rest of my life, I would have to choose liquid. So yeah, that would be my opinion. Some of my favorite formulations when it comes to liquid lipsticks are the PAC Retro Matte glosses. I feel like the Maybelline Superstay Mattings are also coming very close, but I'm trying to not make them like my holy grail because Maybelline is not cruelty free. So yeah, even though I do purchase cruelty free makeup, but I'm trying to, no sorry, even though I'm trying to purchase non cruelty free makeup because I'm trying to find cruelty free options. But in general, if I had to choose like my favorite liquid lipstick of all time, it would definitely be the PAC Retro Matte glosses. Super comfortable formulation, super long lasting. Even if you're eating or drinking, etc., they don't give you butthole lips. At least they don't give me butthole lips. So I love it. It's been a favorite for a long time. So yeah, that was that. Moving on to the second question, and that was, what is your favorite kind of like shade? Like if you had to wear only nude lipsticks or only bright lipsticks for the rest of your life, what would you choose? And I think this one was definitely not a surprise. I feel like most people would choose nudes because they are great for everyday wear. They are more, I don't want to say appropriate for like all occasions, but yeah, they kind of are if you go to see, because you can wear a nude lipstick to a wedding, you can wear a nude lipstick to office, you can wear it to like a lunch or a dinner or something like that. You can wear nude lipsticks everywhere. Whereas when it comes to bright lipsticks, if you are someone who coordinates your bright, like if you coordinate your lipstick with your outfit and stuff, it's going to be a lot more difficult to do like that coordination. And I know a lot of you guys just like me coordinate your lipsticks with your outfits, so I kind of get that. So yeah, 94% of you guys chose nude lipsticks, and then 6% chose bright lipsticks. So yeah, that was that. Not surprised. If I sit here and tell you all the new lipsticks that I'm in love with, we're gonna be here for a long, long, long time. So I would highly suggest that you can go check out my Instagram. I will have my handle down below. I have quite a few reels where I have shared like my top new favorite nude lipsticks, top pink nude lipsticks, like top 5 nude pink lipsticks, top 5 brown nude lipsticks, like all of that stuff. So yeah, if you want to see some of like the new lipsticks in my collection, some of my favorites, etc., etc., definitely go check out Instagram. Moving on next, what is your favorite like texture or finish in a liquid in a lipstick? And the option was matte, cream, glossy or like sheer, and lip tint. So 12 of you chose matte lipsticks, which again is not a surprise. We're all in love with matte lipsticks because A, the finish looks really nice, B, it's more like long lasting compared to other formulas and finishes. So yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised that 12 of you chose matte. One person did choose cream, and I get why people like cream lipsticks. Even I sometimes do like cream lipsticks or like creamy matte lipsticks also. Like they're a little matte, like eventually they will set down matte, like those kind of lipsticks, because if you have more dry lips, then sometimes certain matte formulations can be a little bit over drying. So yeah, one person chose cream, two people chose like sheer glossy kind of finishes. And again, if you're looking for like good everyday, like a very subtle color, not something that is super opaque or super bold, yeah, I think sheer and glossy lipsticks are also great. Personally, they are not my favorite because I have very pigmented lips, so I don't like sheer formulations because they don't like, they're not completely opaque on the lips, and I do like to cover my lip pigmentation with my lipstick. So I definitely want my lipstick to be like more pigmented and not super sheer. And yeah, glossy is not really long lasting. I don't like to keep like reapplying again and again, but I do get why people like that. And then the last is lip tint, and four people chose lip tints. Again, great for everyday wear, great for right now when you're wearing a mask, because even when you're wearing more long wearing lipsticks, sometimes they do tend to transfer on the mask. And if it's a tint, it's A, easy to reapply, and B, you can't really tell much. Or sometimes there are certain formulations when the tint completely dries up, if it's like a super watery tint, and if it completely dries up, it doesn't even transfer, it doesn't look messy after wearing it for a long time. So yeah, again, tints can be great, depending on what the formulation is like, which brand it is from, etc. So yeah, that was that. Again, when I if I sit here and talk about like my favorite matte lipsticks, we're going to be here for a very, very, very long time. So if you want to know what I have in my collection, which are my favorites, Instagram is where you need to go and check it out. Moving on next, the last two questions, the second last question is, would you want the packaging of your lipstick to be like more cheap, or rather I should say, would you mind if the packaging is a little bit cheap, or would you want like a super sturdy packaging? Now, if you are someone who carries your lipstick with you on the go, if it's in your pocket all the time, in your sling bag, in your wallet, in your handbag or whatever, and if you're constantly throwing around your lipstick and the packaging is cheap, it might not be the best option, because either the cap can break or like chip off, or like the bullet can break, or just a lot of different things. So yeah, that being said, 18% of you actually don't mind cheap packaging. But for me personally, I definitely think that the packaging of my absolute favorite, like ideal lipstick, has to be sturdy enough, because if it's my ideal lipstick, this product is going to be used and abused. And if the packaging is not going to be sturdy, it's probably going to like break off or anything. I will not want to then gravitate to it, and maybe a lot of product might end up going to waste. So yeah, packaging needs to be sturdy. And 82% of you agree with me, which I mean, again, I'm not surprised. And yeah, that was that. Moving on to the last question, and that is, would you want your ideal lipstick to be from a drugstore brand or like a drugstore price, or should it be high end? And would you like not mind splurging on it because it's your ideal lipstick? And 76% of you guys said that you only want drugstore, you will not spend too much money. And then again, 24% of you said that you don't mind splurging on your ideal lipstick. Personally, for me, I would say that lipstick is one of those categories where, because there are so many great affordable lipsticks, like I won't say under 500, but maybe like between 500 to 1000, you can definitely find a great lipstick, great formulation, and I would still consider that to be like more drugstore affordable. Anything above like 1500, I would say is like that is what I would classify as a high-end lipstick. So yeah, I don't think that lipstick is one of those categories you need to splurge on. So yeah, that was it for the ideal lipstick tag. So my personal favorite lipstick, or rather like my ideal lipstick of all time of life, would be a liquid lipstick that is matte, that is also has like some sort of sturdy packaging, so not like a very flimsy doe foot applicator, or like the outer packaging or whatever should not be flimsy. It should be a nude shade, and it should be like a drugstore affordable price tag. Again, the one lipstick that comes to my mind, which has all of these things, is definitely the PAC Retro Matte Gloss. Again, I'm trying and testing out a bunch of different lipsticks this year. A good amount of them are liquid, and then there are a lot of bullet lipsticks as well. So yeah, there are also, I think, two crayon lipsticks also in that particular category. I didn't include crayons, even though I did want to, because to be very honest, I am loving crayon lipsticks right now. But there aren't a lot of crayon lipsticks in the market, and I didn't really know if most of you haven't tried any. So that's the reason why I did not include crayons and just kept it to like bullets and liquids. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for all the content that is going to come up in 2021, because hopefully there will be a lot of stuff that you really like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do before you click out of this video. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, that is it for the video. I would love to know what is your like, based on all the options that you chose, like whatever, like if you voted in the poll on Instagram, let me know which is the lipstick that you personally find, like the brand, the formulation, the range, which you feel like is your ideal lipstick basis of all the things that you voted for. And if you didn't vote, you can also like share the answers, share which brand, which range, which lipstick is your absolute favorite, and which is your ideal lipstick. I would love to interact with you guys in the comments, so definitely leave a comment down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, bye bye.